Welcome back, everybody. Are you ready for another one? This time we're going to use the rectangle, and I'm going to use two different colors on this because I want to. You don't have to. You could do it all the same color if you wanted. But I'm going to make this little triangle design. So let's start at the top. Now this hole right here, that's going to be your hole for your earring findings. So I'm going to start up here instead. Come through from the back always, drop back down. Then I'm going to go over to this top hole right here. Kind of snug down a little bit. And with the back, I'm holding my finger on that knot, or if it was a loose thread, hold it on the loose thread. Just kind of keep it snug. So I went from here to here, came back up through here, and went to here. Now I'm going to go here, here, back up through this bottom one. It's hard to do when you can't see what you're doing. And then back through that first hole in the triangle, and then back through the second one, and then that gives me the ability to go to this third corner of the triangle. So we'll try that again. We'll come up from the first point, go over, down, up, and we're going to go back on ourselves like a back stitch, then up through the second hole again, and then over to the third. Then move on to the next triangle. Yep, that's the other side. So I'm just going to finish this side up real quick. Almost at the bottom. And, oops, that came unthreaded. Well, that's easy to fix. There we go. Quick and easy. These large eye threaders are the best. Love them. Okay, almost done. I'll pretty up the back and tie it off later. Just run that through there real quick. And then I want my second color on the other side. So I try to set it up so that my knots are not in the same place. So this time I'm going to start down here at the bottom. But remember, I want to start here, go over to here, come back up, and back through that same hole. And so you're just doing the pattern in reverse. Try to keep my unmanicured fingers out of your line of sight here. Ooh, don't know if y'all can hear that. I've got the windows open and thunder rumbling. We are in monsoon season, and I live in the high desert. So what that means is we're at high altitude. We still have desert conditions, but we don't have the 114 degrees in the shade. So that's kind of nice. But the trade-off is we have snow in the winter. So we are, like I said, in monsoon season right now, which is great. We need the rain, we need the moisture, we need the lakes to fill up, but we could do without the flash flooding. That would be magnificent. Whoops, I just messed myself up there. That's okay, it still works. And we're done. And then I'm just going to slide this through, tie it off, and if I had the backer cut out for this, I would attach the backer at this point, but I don't. Isn't that pretty? I like that. So trim up all your threads, glue everything down, put the backer on, and put those in your ears, or your client's ears.